IQOO 11 has just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, flagship processor, Sony IMX866 camera sensor, new independent V2 display chip, 200W fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the IQOO 11s. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The S in IQOO 11s stands for Super or Supreme. In the unboxing, you will find the following items: a phone which is not too heavy, BMW racing cards, a SIM tool, and the most important item, the charger. The charger is of standard size and supports fast charging. It has a versatile USB Type-C port and an impressive power output of 200 watts. Additionally, it supports PD and PPP charging support. The maximum voltage it can handle is 20 watt of current and the 20 ampere. The IQOO 11s has the same exterior design as the IQOO 11. The specific color variant I have is called the green color. The overall color is literally an artistic shade of blue, not overly saturated. The back of the phone is made of cayenne colored plain leather material which is a lychee pattern. It has a pleasant feel, not too slippery or overly dampened. The phone features a metal middle frame and the screen brackets. The presence of the screen bracket may be related to the pressure under the screen. The metal middle frame gives it a higher positioning compared to the other smartphone in the market. The screen of the IQOO 11s offers significant advantage within its price range. It uses the Samsung E6 luminescent material and boasts a 2K resolution, which result in a high quality display. The screen's refresh rate is an impressive 144 Hz, making it one of the top of the line display screen for the Android devices currently available in the market. In terms of camera, IQOO 11s has made some changes compared to the predecessor. It features a main camera with the IMX866 sensor, which is the company seems to favor. The logo V2 indicates that the previous phone was built with a unique V2 sensor. However, in the 11s, the chip incorporates a supercomputing independent graphic chip. According to the official introduction, this chip enhances the computing power, particularly for gaming, video resolution, frame rate, and the image quality. The role of this chip is similar to the previous V2 sensor, but it focuses more on improving the gaming experience rather than imaginary aspects. Moreover, the main camera in the IQOO 11s also utilizes the IMX866 sensor, which offers a certain advantages compared to other options. When examined the actual image samples, the overall image quality performance of the IQOO 11s align well with the current standard set by the IQOO. In terms of performance, the IQOO 11s doesn't offer a significant boost compared to its predecessor IQOO 11. Both the phone uses the second generation of Snapdragon 8 series processor, which already provide excellent performance. Running the AnTuTu benchmark version 10, the IQOO 11s can achieve the scores of around 1.64 millions, even suppressing the Dimensity 9200 Plus in my previous test by 1.3 million. The stability during the 3D Mark stress test is approximately 86.6%. While the processors are the same, the difference lies in the storage combination. The IQOO 11s supports up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This marks the era of the 1 TB storage for IQOO. In terms of gaming performance, the IQOO 11s performs well in the gaming like Honor of King, running smoothly. Genshin Impact, a high quality game, also runs well on the device, achieving stability at 59.7 frames per second for the highest image quality setting at the Moon City port. The IQOO 11s features a self-developed supercomputing independent graphic chip similar to the previous V2 independent display chip. This chip enhances the game performance and allows for the higher frame rate experience with a refresh rate of 144 Hz on the screen. Game like Genshin Impact can be played at up to 144 frames per second, providing a more natural and comfortable visual experience. The chip also enables the resolution enhancement, improving clarity and allowing for image quality turning to enhance color vividness. These three functions are made possible by this chip, enhance this overall gaming performance in multiple aspects. In terms of charging, IQOO 11s has made significant improvement. Previously, it had a combination of 120 watt and 5000 mAh battery. However, the IQOO 11s now features a combination of 200 watt and 4700 mAh battery. This charger also supports the PD charging up to 65 watt. In practical testing, it takes about 13 minutes to fully charging the phone. The price of the IQOO 11s base variant in China starts from 3,799 China yuan, roughly £405 in UK and $530 US. Considering the overall improvements, I personally don't believe the upgrade from IQOO 11 and IQOO 11 Pro to the IQOO 11s, especially if you were already using those phones. However, if you are gaming into seeking excellent gaming performance and absolute performance in game, especially if you appropriate a well-designed phone, the IQOO 11s could be a reasonable choice for you. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.